It's time for us to catch up on all the biggest stories that we missed over the past 2 weeks. And to help us do that, we're joined by the one and only Roy Wood Jr., everybody.
Hello.
There are so many major stories going on right now. There's Brexit that's in chaos. There's the Taliban negotiations. There are fires in the Amazon rainforest.
Yeah, Trevor, all of that other shit's happening. But the only story that matters right now is the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Whoa, I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, Popeyes, out the blue, introduced a chicken sandwich, a surprise attack on Chick-fil-A. It was like Pearl Harbor, but juicier.
Wait. So your big story is that a chicken place started selling chicken?
But with bread, Trevor. It's bread. See, I keep forgetting you're not from America. I gotta explain this to you. See, Trevor, for decades, America's chicken restaurants have all abided by certain rules. Chick-fil-A sells chicken in a sandwich, Popeye sells chicken in a box, and KFC mixes their shit with Cheetos. And yes, that is a real sandwich, which is why you shouldn't let the Colonel smoke weed.
Okay, I get it. Popeyes has a chicken sandwich. Let's turn to the Amazon rainforest.
No, Trevor, it's not just any sandwich. The Popeyes sandwich was so delicious, not even Popeyes was prepared for it.
If you were hoping to sink your teeth into that hot new chicken sandwich from Popeyes, you are out of luck. The crispy chicken sandwich was so popular, it's now out of stock.
There's a craze, full-on craze. Lines have been so long, police had to be called to deal with the traffic crunch. And some people in Florida have been waiting in line over an hour.
The burning question is, have you really run out? When will they be back? When can we get our hands on a new batch of them?
See? That's how big this chicken sandwich is. This chicken sandwich is so big, CNN put the chicken full screen and put the hurricane down in the corner. That's right. Put that hurricane out the way. People looking at the hurricane, man, forget that hurricane, when that sandwich hit my city. And if Popeyes thinks that they can launch the most delicious chicken sandwich ever and then just run out of stock, well, then they have another thing coming.
That viral chicken sandwich war has gotten so crazy, a Tennessee man is suing Popeyes for selling out of its new chicken sandwich. Craig Barr says he went to several Popeyes locations and none of them had his chicken sandwich. He's now suing Popeyes for $5,000 for false advertising and deceptive business practices.
That's right. America needs more heroes like this man, fighting the legal battle of our time. He's a modern-day Atticus Finch. The movie about him will be called To Fry a Mockingbird. And if you think suing Popeyes is extreme, wait until you see how some people are taking the law into their own hands.
The chicken sandwich war is turning violent. This morning, police are looking for a man who they say pulled a gun on a group of Popeyes employees here in Southeast Houston after the restaurant ran out of the popular chicken sandwiches. When the manager told them they were sold out, that's when they say he pulled out a pistol demanding a chicken sandwich. After the manager repeated they were out, police say the group took off in a blue SUV. Fortunately, no one was hurt.
Actually, news lady, someone was hurt. That poor man who asked for a chicken sandwich and didn't get jack. He was hurt.
Whoa, you're defending the guy with the gun?
Yes, Trevor, the good guy with the gun.
Roy, this is the craziest thing ever. How do you even run out of a chicken sandwich? It's a chicken place. They have all the ingredients, right? Can't the manager just throw like a drumstick between some biscuits?
That's the most ignorant thing I've ever heard you say. Look, we don't have to agree with his methods. But there's an African proverb, Trevor. You can't make a chicken sandwich without breaking a few eggs.
That's not African. That's not a thing.
People are angry, so they're rising up. This is about fighting for equal sandwich access for all of us. Because you know who had zero problem getting Popeye's chicken sandwich? The elite, Trevor. This entire time, the 1% has been getting their pristine, uncalloused hands on sandwiches that belong in the mouths of the working class. Look at your friend Gayle King. She got a sandwich, then posted a picture, just giggling, giggling. Jimmy Kimmel got a sandwich too. Love Jimmy Kimmel. Met him a couple times. But did Jimmy Kimmel eat the sandwich? No. He gave it to his 2-year-old don't even have taste buds yet. That child's whole life has been milk and applesauce. You don't hit a 2-year-old with the Popeyes, baby. That child's mouth ain't ready for the Popeyes. But at least Jimmy and Gail had the decency to find the sandwich. Dwayne Wade and Gabrielle Union got theirs in the mail. Popeyes sent them a case of chicken. That's how they live, Trevor. And they even had the audacity to post videos chewing in our goddamn faces. Tired of it. Tired of the top 1% having 99% of the sandwiches. We need a candidate who will fight for everyone to have a sandwich. We need a sandwich Bernie Sanders, a Bernie sandwich. And that, Trevor, is why I'm announcing my candidacy for the President of the United States of America. When I'm elected, I might not fix schools. I don't know anything about health care. But I can promise all Americans that you will get a chicken sandwich. God bless you, God bless the United States of America, and God bless chicken sandwiches. I will see you at the debates.